Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll reveal expert tips and tricks on how to transform your small apartment into a stunning, million-dollar loft-style space. Whether you're working with limited square footage or simply seeking a stylish refresh, we've got you covered with innovative ideas. From maximizing natural light to selecting the right decor, each tip will help you create a luxurious feel, all while keeping functionality in mind. Let's dive into the essential steps to elevate your living space. 1. Open up the space. Creating an open and airy environment is crucial in making a small apartment feel larger and more luxurious. Consider removing unnecessary partitions or using furniture to define spaces without closing them off. Opt for an open floor plan that allows for seamless flow between rooms. Use mirrors strategically to reflect light and create an illusion of depth, making the space feel more expansive. Additionally, consider multifunctional furniture that can serve various purposes, such as a sofa bed or a coffee table with storage. By keeping the layout flexible and uncluttered, you can maximize the use of space and create a more inviting atmosphere. 2. Choose a neutral color palette. A neutral color palette is a hallmark of high-end design. Soft whites, grays, and beiges can create a sophisticated backdrop that enhances the overall aesthetic of your apartment. These colors not only make the space feel larger but also allow for flexibility in decor. You can easily add pops of color through accessories like throw pillows, artwork, or rugs without overwhelming the space. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to a cohesive color scheme throughout the apartment to maintain a polished look. Neutral colors also lend themselves well to creating a calming and relaxing environment, which is a key aspect of luxury living. 3. Incorporate industrial elements. Industrial design elements can add character and a modern touch to your apartment. Consider incorporating materials such as exposed brick, metal fixtures, and reclaimed wood. These elements evoke a loft-like feel and can be introduced through accent walls, furniture, or decor. For instance, a metal coffee table or a vintage light fixture can serve as a statement piece that ties the room together. Mixing these industrial elements with softer textures can create a balanced and inviting atmosphere. This blend of styles not only adds visual interest but also creates a unique and personalized space that feels both stylish and comfortable. 4. Maximize natural light. Natural light is a vital component of any luxurious space. To enhance the brightness in your apartment, avoid heavy drapes and opt for sheer curtains that allow light to filter through. Position mirrors across from windows to reflect light and create a brighter environment. If possible, consider adding skylights or larger windows to increase natural light exposure. A well-lit space not only feels more open but also elevates the overall ambiance, making it feel more upscale. Additionally, natural light can highlight the details and textures in your decor, adding to the overall aesthetic appeal of your apartment. 5. Invest in statement furniture. High-quality, statement furniture can transform your apartment into a sophisticated haven. Look for unique pieces that reflect your personal style, such as a designer chair or an eye-catching coffee table. Investing in fewer, high-impact items rather than filling the space with numerous smaller pieces can create a more curated and luxurious look. Choose furniture that is not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional, ensuring that it serves a purpose in your living space. By focusing on quality over quantity, you can create a space that feels both elegant and practical. 6. High-end finishes. Incorporating high-end finishes can significantly elevate the look of your apartment. Consider upgrading fixtures such as faucets, cabinet handles, and lighting to more luxurious options. Materials like marble countertops, hardwood flooring, and high-quality tiles can add a touch of elegance. Pay attention to the details. Even small upgrades can make a big difference in how polished your apartment feels. Choose finishes that complement your overall design theme and create a cohesive look. These upgrades not only enhance the visual appeal of your space but also increase its overall value. 7. Art and decor. Art and decor are essential in adding personality and sophistication to your apartment. Invest in a few statement pieces that resonate with your style, whether it's a large painting, a sculpture, or a unique wall hanging. Arrange your art thoughtfully to create focal points in the room. Additionally, consider incorporating decorative items such as vases, books, and candles that add warmth and character. Remember to keep the decor minimal to avoid clutter and maintain a clean, upscale appearance. Thoughtfully curated art and decor not only enhance the aesthetic of your apartment but also reflect your personal taste and style. 8. Smart storage solution. In a small apartment, effective storage solutions are crucial to maintaining a clutter-free environment. Look for furniture that doubles as storage, such as ottomans with hidden compartments or beds with drawers underneath. Utilize vertical space by installing shelves or cabinets that draw the eye upward, creating the illusion of height. Baskets and decorative boxes can also help keep items organized while adding to the decor. A well-organized space not only looks better but also enhances the overall functionality of your apartment. By incorporating smart storage solutions, you can create a space that feels both spacious and efficient. 9. Lighting. Lighting plays a significant role in setting the mood and enhancing the design of your apartment. Layer your lighting with a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Consider using pendant lights or chandeliers as statement pieces that draw attention. Dimmable lights can also add versatility, allowing you to adjust the brightness based on the time of day or occasion. The right lighting can transform a space, making it feel more luxurious and inviting. By carefully selecting and placing your lighting fixtures, you can create a space that feels both functional and stylish. 10. Textures and layers. Incorporating various textures and layers can add depth and interest to your apartment. Mix materials like wood, metal, fabric, and glass to create a dynamic environment. Use throw blankets, pillows, and rugs to introduce softness and warmth. Layering different textures can make the space feel more inviting and luxurious. Don't shy away from bold patterns or textures. They can serve as focal points that enhance the overall design. By thoughtfully combining different textures and layers, you can create a space that feels both cozy and sophisticated. 11. Keep it clutter-free. A clutter-free environment is essential for achieving a sophisticated look. Regularly declutter your space and only keep items that you love or that serve a purpose. Utilize storage solutions to keep surfaces clear and organized. A tidy apartment not only looks better but also promotes a sense of calm and relaxation. Establish a routine for maintaining cleanliness and organization to ensure your apartment always feels like a high-end retreat. By keeping your space clutter-free, you can create an environment that feels both comfortable and luxurious. 12. Greenery. Incorporating plants into your apartment can bring life and vibrancy to the space. Choose low-maintenance plants that thrive indoors, such as snake plants or pothos. Use stylish planters that complement your decor to enhance the overall aesthetic. Greenery not only adds color but also improves air quality and creates a more inviting atmosphere. Strategically place plants in corners or on shelves to create visual interest and a sense of tranquility. By adding greenery to your apartment, you can create a space that feels both lively and serene. By implementing these strategies, you can transform your small apartment into a luxurious loft-style space that feels both inviting and sophisticated. With careful attention to detail and a focus on quality, your apartment can exude the charm and elegance of $1 million home.